Ooh, that flashed. The camera just flashed for some reason. I don't know if it's going to show up when I actually watch it, but that's interesting why it does that. Let's see if we can make this one look nice. Okay, this will be an interesting one. Going to make it bigger than 200. Going to make it 250 that way, 250 this way. Just a little bit of contrast. I'm going to make it light. Okay. See how this one turns out. Okay, it's an interesting one. It is. A career in floristry. So this came from a florist. So a creative hands-on career. Only problem with careers these days is there's not enough jobs. Unfortunately, not enough jobs. So you have to take just about any job you can get. But basically, there is one possibility that you can explore, and that is probably to start your own business if you can. If you have the money and willing to take a risk, this would probably make a very nice career if you could possibly open up your own florist. That would be nice. So, but anyway, we're just using it as a demo, but just a word of caution anyway. Hang on to your job because there's just not enough going around. So let's see how we go. Oh, that looks interesting. Does look quite nice. I wonder if we can make a better one. Let's see if we can make a better one. Yeah. A lot of people love to work with flowers. It's not my cup of tea. I don't think I could do a very good job of it anyway. I'm disabled as well, so I can't work in a normal job. So I work in a sheltered workshop. So yeah, that's my contribution. Let's see how we go. Right, let's see how that looks. Whoa, we've lost lots of the image, but we've got plenty of the writing. That's interesting. Let's try another one. This is not easy. This is not an easy one. Wondering if we're just going to make it a bit smaller. We're going 240 by 240 for a change. Okay, let's see how we go. A career in floristry. Yeah. Okay, let's see how that goes. That looks a lot better. I think we can use this. This looks very strange. That's very strange where those black marks are. Fuck. Don't know. Anyway, we'll make that our mirror image. So I'm wondering, maybe that's going to be the centre of our job. Sometimes I like to put this part as the centre and I always regret it. So we're just going to, hang on. We've got to make that into our master copy, or we're going to do another one. I'm going to try another one, I just thought. So we're just going to put that there like so, the picture. We're going to try it again. Didn't do a very good twist of that as much as I wanted to. Okay, let's see how that goes. Not quite what I wanted. It's just too horizontally stretched, so Wondering if we're going to use that one for a change. I do like these bits there, so I'm wondering if we're going to use that as our master copy, even though it's not angled. Might be something different for a change. So now we're just going to throw that on the recycle pile. I just scratched my arm, sorry folks. We're just going to make this our master copy. We'll see if it looks any good. Okay, we're just going to switch that to copied paper. Remove our enlargements. And we're just going to copy density. Going to darken it just a little. We're not going all the way in the middle. For some reason, it's not going to work. Contrast. We're just going to leave it. Okay, let's see how we can make this look good as a mirror image. Something a bit different. Alright. Okay, well that looks interesting. There's a bit of magenta there, nice and hot. That looks nice. So that's going to be our centre. Doesn't look like much, but it might prove to be something when we've printed out all 4 images to put together. So let's see how we go. Okay, let's see how that looks. Unfortunately, it's lifting like it normally does. It's starting to curl, which is a nuisance. So I'm just trying to see if it just happens all the time, most of the time, this curling problem. We had rain recently, like yesterday, so yeah, it shouldn't come as a surprise. But even when it is bone dry, we still get the paper curling on a regular basis, which is a pain in the ass, to say the least. Okay, let's see how this goes. It's going to be difficult lining these up properly because the paper's quite seriously curled, which is a pain in the arse, to be quite honest. So I'm trying my best to make this look reasonable if I can. So just slide that into place. It's not the best, but I think that's good enough. And actually, you can see the bits in the centre, make it look more interesting. So now I think we can call this one quits.